Garbage, strange little birds. Not much I have written about your songs, but without any doubt, some of your songs are among the most important ones. Only to mention, not your kind of people. Apart from this, one of your lines is the basic of all my thoughts and writing. A stroke of luck or a gift from God. And a distinct, obvious, and inevitable answer. A stroke of luck. Never named you an angel, thought it would not fit, an angel with black fishnet stockings and boots. Today I ceased to talk about your female singers as angels, but know that you would be, without any doubts, the coolest angel of all. To imagine you at one of your concerts that you perform currently, in one of your outfits and huge white or black like the ones on my breast, wings of an angel, wow, send me an angel. We are not your kind of people. We are extraordinary people. So many tears, so many hopes, so many fears. Misfit, extraordinary, really? And now, strange little birds. Like the two on my back, like the one who originates currently, like the angel on my breast. So happy I would be, a strange little bird with feathers in hair, like the one on my upper arm. Elizabeth's honeymoon, Bowie Blackstar, Joanna Divers, and now you. Very, very seldom I found myself in such a high degree in an artwork. I stand naked in front of the mirror. Nothing can be hidden any longer. Everything is visible now. I shudder. Even the last untold secrets treasured. You know my name as Joanna, as all of you. No longer I'm able to write about your songs in the way I did. What should I say? You say it all about I feel, how I bleed, about the monsters and demons, about longing and desire, about to weep. Oh, I could continue and continue. Talk about that I wish I had a blue velvet dress in my closet. High heels and lipstick, whatever this should mean. Talk about the spark, oh hero me, connection, about love, about the yearning to find a thing worth fighting for, worth dying for. But you describe me so profound, dead alive, lost in dreams. Can you love me for what I've become? But I don't burn, have no black motorcycle. I will vanish like a not emerging spark. You sing, you don't trust humans, and I feel the same. Yeah, let's give them something to remember, something to talk about. The old man smiles, full of compassion, looking at oneself. You all know my name, my dreams, hopes and wishes. Should I continue? Talk about the trial, hate and denial, a grip around my throat, Tory? Should I continue? Talk about that I'm too scared to try? My whole life too scared? Not only as a child, Elizabeth, I'm still a small boy, not a big girl. Laugh about me. And the final, it's time to change your mind. Yes, it's the place to tell me how to live my life. You showed me long ago. I heard, but not listened. Too stupid, too scared, not able to express myself. A stroke of luck, the devil's claw from below. The cold again, I feel it closing in, falling down. I'm weak, but I'm strong. Strange little birds. Strange little birds. I'm impressed, deeply impressed. Should I say the best album of garbage so far? Sounds so corny. But it's like with Honeymoon and Divers. Blackstar is something special. Both appear to me as something totally different compared to the previous works. Nevertheless, Honeymoon is definitely Elizabeth, and Divers is definitely Joanna. But both are so surprising. In both, I lost myself, dissolving in Honeymoon and drowning in Divers. And Strange Little Birds. It seems to me that Strange Little Birds is the book that I would like to write so much. The album ashamed me. Why I'm not able to express myself in this way. I feel like someone else is more able to describe me than I. But I thank you for your work. Remember the countless nights. Why do you know me so well? Should it be? And lately, I'm not the only one. Thank you for listening.